Okay guys, on 18th of August 2022, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So you can see that we have our plant of variegated opuntia, or its actual name is opuntia tricantha, or also called as the opuntia vulgaris. Now as it is of variegated type, so you can see a very little chlorophyll in it. Okay, so you can also see some sort of pink pigmentation in it. Okay, these are chromoplast. Okay, now we are going to take our first cutting. Okay, now you can see that this is our first cutting. Okay, now we will take our second cutting, and okay, now this is our second cutting. Okay, now okay, this pad is very like okay, now we will take our third one. This is our third stem cutting. Okay, now we have to leave them for several days. Okay, for several days or at least 1 week in order to cauliflower and dry it, because if we just used to put them in the soil or media, they can become rot. Okay, so after drying period, that is on 25th of August 2022, now we have a lot of humidity. Okay, as we can see on the scale, it is 99% and it is not good for cactus. Okay, temperature is good, obviously 23.3 degrees Celsius. The temperature is very good. Okay, now we have taken our media, which consists of 50% simple sand and 50% simple garden soil, and now you can see that our cuttings are dried. They also used to be inside rain, so we can see a little bit of fungal degradation, but hopefully our cactus will cover it out. Okay, so no need to worry about that. Now we will just take our first and big pad, and we will put it in the disposable glass. Okay, so okay, now I'm just like now I'm just seeing that it is scaleless tower properly. Yes, it is scaleless tower. Okay, I'm just removing the debris. Okay, because it can initiate some rot, so that's why. Okay, now I will put it in the so this is my cutting. Okay, I just pressed it out a little bit. Okay, because no need to, because cactus used to thrive for like months, okay, without roots. Okay, so it is also careless tower, although it is in rain. So because this year there are a lot of rains in monsoon of 2022. Okay, now we will put it out. I'm just checking that either it is careless tower properly or not. Yes, it is careless tower. Okay, yeah, it's okay. No, this is actually latex type compound which used to prevent it from the rot. Okay, now just put it out. Okay, just put it out like this one. Okay, now this is my third page, or third stem cutting. Okay, now these three are our. Okay, now on 27th of December 2022 means that after August, then October, November, and after 3 months. Okay, now we can see that we have just this much. Okay, growth. Okay, so we can say that our growth is not so much fast. Okay, I have to wait for about like 3 months in order to get even such small growth. Okay, so it means that the growth rate of cactus is not so much high. Okay, now you can see, oh, now but on rooting side we can see a lot of growth. Okay, you can see the root ball have the very good root ball. It used to cling with the media. Okay, now I'm just showing it to you. You can see a lot of fibrous roots. Okay, so this is and the pink color on the stem gives itself good coloration. Okay, maybe due to this thing it is called a tricantha. I'm not sure about that. Okay, now you can see that this is our second one which we used to put, and it also used to grow some sort of like growth on the stem side. Okay, let's take it out. You can also see the roots, and the roots are very good. Okay, and our stem outgrowth is also very good. You can see a very small stem outgrowth. You also need, yeah, this one, yeah, this stem growth is very good with pink coloration on it. So now yeah, this is having some yellow and pink color. So hopefully you got the concept that how we can propagate our opuntia vulgaris or opuntia tricantha variegata from stem cutting. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.